Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make these beautiful curved bubu gown styles. Curved bubu gown styles. For this style, you'll be needing up to 2.5 yards, depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it. Tailor's chalk, scissors, tape rule. Fold your fabric into 4 as shown. Mark shoulder plus sleeve length as seen here. Mark V neckline using 3 by 4 inches for the front neckline. Mark 3 by 1 for the back neckline. Slope the shoulder by 1.5 as seen here. Draw the start line from sleeve length to CF as seen. Mark 9 inches or as you desire for sleeve opening. Cut it out, but cut the back neckline first. Set the back aside and draw the front start line as seen here. Cut out the start line and front neckline as seen here. Attach a cover button on the CF as seen here. This is what you get after you are through with it. Couple everything together as usual. Let me know if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.